Well, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be working on this 2010 Challenger RT. It's got the 6-speed TR6060 transmission, as well as some other issues. That would be the air conditioning, some kind of solenoids under the dash. That's for another day. Anyway, this particular one has 153,000 miles. I picked it up for a pretty good price because the motor is blown. It's got a horrible rod knock. Actually, let's just try firing it up. It's completely dry, but this motor is being pulled anyhow. So I gotta straighten the car out. Ready to cringe? Let's see if it cranks. No oil pressure, so I don't want to run it that long. Eek. God, I hate that. Poor crankshaft. Yee. Trying to straighten it out here. Get it to a nice spot that I want where I can pull the motor.